So I was picking my first lock. This is my first lock. It's a Master Lock 3. And this happened. You can see it's totally closed. It's completely locked. And just pressing down this once is enough. This is hard to do with one hand. Oh, here, I'll press down with this. Pressing down it once is enough to unlock it, which is amazing to me. Like, one more time, just. This is a diamond pick, which is impressive to me already. I guess it's just finding the one spot that just totally unlocks it. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Anyway, I guess this has happened. So, my first single pick, I guess.